As promised, we are back at Silver Spring State Park, and today we're going to do the glass boat tour. So let's go check it out. So the tours are $12 a person for an adult for a 30-minute tour. And then it's still $4 to get in, but parking is free. So over here's the boats that we're going to do later, but we're still going to go walk around and see if we can find another alligator or do anything. So last time we didn't go this way, but if you see the green post here and here, this is another trail that is in the back of the park. We're going in the creek trail. There's a fork in the road. It says go this way. There's the marker. There's a lot of trails like this, so be sure to wear your hiking boots. There's one big loop. We've made it back to the main area. So over here is where we saw the alligator last time. We're just going to take a peek and see if we can find anything before we do our glass bottom boat tour. Okay, so we made a big loop around. Now we're gonna get on the glass bottom boats and see what the tour's like. It happens every 30 minutes. So we're gonna go see if it's time.
But I saw a candidate just come just for a little bit more.
So this is like a pontoon boat.
Right there.
You know, because this is the opening of the pontoon, so they put this. This is so cool.
I know, look.
Take all the pictures you want, help yourself. But if I'm going to be on those pictures, I need a heads up so I can sit up, suck it in, and put my best face on. Life is hard enough being 65 and single in Marion County without having to have people put pictures of me looking like Jabba the Hutt up on Facebook. Got you for first aid and CPR with the American Red Cross, which means right at a third of you have a real good chance of survival. You're not one of them, sir. Every drop of water you see beneath the glass came out of the ground. 123 springs feed us approximately 805 million gallons of water every day. That would be deadly, but we're not a lake or a river. 805 mil every day. That means we get fresh water on average every 38 minutes. See all them little tiny fish down here? I call them piranha wannabe. They're actually bluegill. Any of y'all ever see a movie called Creature from the Black Lagoon?
Yes.
All of the underwater scenes in that iconic 1954 movie were shot right here at Silver Spring.
That's a turtle.
That's the cave Black Lagoon would come out of right there.
500,000 gallons of water an hour come out of that cave down there.
Isn't that cool? Look at all those fish, too. How cold is the water? How cold is it?
That depends. It's 72 degrees. I don't know what you call cold. That is from a pontoon barge thing that they hauled lumber with. It caught fire back in 1866. They didn't want to burn the whole place down, so they cut it off.
Here's that alligator.
Now the bird you see in the tree off to my left now, towards the front, that is a male anhinga. Now it's doing that Karate Kid pose because the anhinga and its cousin the cormorant, they are duck-like in all aspects except for one. They don't shed water like a duck. They'll get up in the tree in that Karate Kid pose and get rid of some of that water. dock.
Now over this way there's monkeys. I don't know if we can see them, but we'll see.
That's the same ones. They're heading down. My name Colonel Two. He decided to profit off of the Johnny Weissmuller of Tarzan movies. So he went downriver to the Raccoon Island, built habitats and feeding stations for a dozen of the region's macaques. Put them on the island and backed away. As he backed away to celebrate, he lit a cigar and he popped a cork on a bottle of champagne, and that popping sound startled them monkeys and they swam off the island.
So on this side, this is where the monkeys were.
Under that tree is a boat. And that boat is a second generation glass bottom boat here at the Silver Springs. In service between 1985 and 1910. Not sure about that specific one, but that was the year that style was in use. The tilapia have bug eye things going on. You know, they got a whiter lip and bug eyes. See a hole in the wall down there. That is Mammoth Spring. Now, 21 million gallons an hour coming out of there. That's a lot of water. It's awesome water in the aquifer. We know that because 14 bottle companies take it out of there. But in the river, we have manatees, alligators, turtles, birds, and fish that do stuff in it. We're pretty sure you don't want to drink. But if you want to have some fun with that river water, take an empty bottle, fill it up with the river water, and take it home with you. Put it in your refrigerator. Let it sit in there for about a week. Then take it out, put it on your counter, and go in your living room. You're going to want to send somebody you do not like or appreciate in there to open it for you. It's going to smell like a skunk died in it. Any of y'all ever seen a movie called My Big Fat Greek Wedding? Y'all saw that? Yeah, that wasn't filmed here, but we did have a Greek wedding here about 5 months ago. And the Oompa moment, they loaded the bottom of this spring with dishes. You still see a few of them down there.
Yeah, I see them right there. See the dishes? See the white? That's the dishes.
They're put here for a TV show called I Spy. Robert Culp and Bill Cosby. When I started working here, they told me them statues were named after the Greek gods. Zeus, they said. Hades, and Thor. Yeah, when they said Thor, I knew they didn't know Greek mythology, so I changed their names. See that tilapia down there? That's 25, 26 feet down where he is.
So that was a glass bottom boat tour. Now we're heading over to the boardwalk again just to walk around it and see what's going on. Wow, there's a monkey right here. Let's go see if we can get a closer view of it. It's climbing down the tree right there. Just walking around. So there was another one just right over here, and they're all back in there. You can't see them right now, though. Got a turtle right there. One down there, Captain. There's more monkeys up here.
They go wide.
One in this tree here, one up there. One over there somewhere. Right up.
There's one, two right there. See one there and there. There they are, two.
Some over there. There's one way up there.
If there's one there, that's at least 5.
Talk about a wildlife day. Look at this. Now a snake. Oh. All right, that does it for today at Silver Spring State Park. Wow, we saw monkeys, alligators, birds, fish, and got to do the glass bottom boat tour, and it's worth every penny of it. So if you're ever looking to see some wildlife, come out to Silver Spring State Park and you could see monkeys and alligators and fish and birds and snakes. We saw a snake there at the end too. So all in all, it was a great day, and thanks for watching.